Close your eyes for a moment and just listen. A single tone can slow your heart, shift your mood, even change the way you perceive reality. Today, we're going behind the science and the mysticism of sound. Every second, your brain is producing electrical rhythms called brainwaves. Delta, 0.5 to 4 hertz, gives deep healing sleep. Theta, 4 to 8 hertz, gives meditation, creativity, intuition. Alpha, 8 to 12 hertz, gives calm focus and flow. Specific external frequencies can entrain your brain into these states almost instantly. Sound also triggers measurable physiological changes. Lowered cortisol, balanced heart rate variability, even altered gene expression. This isn't woo-woo, it's the science of resonance. Modern tools make this accessible to anyone. Binaural beats, 2 slightly different tones, one in each ear, create a third frequency inside your brain. Solfeggio frequencies, the ancient scale, 396 hertz, 417 hertz, 528 hertz, love frequency, 639 hertz, etc., used for centuries in healing. Sound baths, crystal bowls, gongs, didgeridoo, whole body immersion, they can drop you into theta in minutes. Hazrat Inayat Khan, in The Mysticism of Sound, wrote, "The mystery of sound is mysticism. The harmony of life is religion. The knowledge of vibrations is metaphysics. The analysis of atoms is science, and their harmonious grouping is art. The rhythm of form is poetry, and the rhythm of sound is music. This shows that music is the art of arts and the science of all sciences, and it contains the fountain of all knowledge within itself." That single paragraph bridges everything we just talked about. Physical vibration meeting the deepest layers of consciousness. So how do you actually use this? Binaural meditation, free apps, 10 minutes a day. Vocal toning, simply hum or chant, Om or Ah on the exhale. Feel the vibration travel from your chest to your head. Focused listening. Put on any track you love, close your eyes, and follow the sound like a meditation. No phone, no distractions. Inhale, and on the exhale, make a long, gentle hum. Feel it resonate in your chest, your throat, even your skull. Notice how your body instantly softens. That's the power of your own voice as an instrument. Zoom out even further. The planets orbit the sun in harmonic ratios. Electrons vibrate at specific frequencies inside every atom. The entire cosmos is singing one vast, living symphony. We are not separate observers. We are notes inside that symphony. When you feel in tune with life, you're literally vibrating in harmony with everything around you. Montage. Person meditating with bowls, walking in nature with headphones, journaling after sound session. So sound is far more than entertainment. It's a technology of consciousness. When you choose frequencies with intention, when you actively participate instead of passively consume, you begin to attune your entire being. This is the real secret. Sound plus awareness equals transformation. Pick one practice this week: binaural beats, vocal toning, or a 528 Hz track, and notice what shifts. Drop in the comments what sound or frequency has changed your state the most. If this resonated, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. More deep dives into vibration, consciousness, and the hidden science of reality are coming. Until next time, keep listening.